tell you something, brother, from experience. If you not compete as an athlete after college, because you know, so you're in a college, you compete almost every week.
Almost, yeah.
Almost
Crazy.
every week you compete.
Double events, triple events.
Then you left college and you can't get into one meet, brother.
Yeah.
That agent is not an agent, brother.
Yeah.
He means asylum, him a hold up. But anyway, ready again. Ready again, man. Ready again.
Check. And it's another one.
Yo, back again for another episode of the Reason Being Podcast. I'm your host, Sha'Carri Bartley, with the one and only
Odie and Lois, you don't know.
You see me? So we're glad for the feedback, the subscription, the follows, the likes, all that.
Yeah. Much respect. Me see you in the comment section.
But you know what me like? Nothing cut you still. More than that though, dog. Me not lie. I rate how say, dog. We live in the same city, dog. And without this money, me chat to you as a
I swear.
It's funny.
Yo, cause you know, bro, life is life in right now, man.
Yeah, dog.
And yo, me here, have you my name? Youth. The youth said that I say, yo, nothing ain't funny no more, bro. Shamar, yeah. I mean, I say, yo, facts.
Yeah, dog.
Cause boy, the adult whole world is real, bro.
Yeah, as I can see, man, in I'm suit.
Oh yeah, yeah, man. I hope me I come from. You have me checking.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
man. Grateful feet, man. As I mean.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. Another reason for being, is it?
Yeah, another reason for being. One thing, man.
Bro. But anyway, we're there. As I say, like, share, subscribe. Thanks today. You know what's not, is it me? What about Rain go on this week, bro?
Yeah, man. Man, thing I go on. The first thing one talk was. Yo.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
Who that?
No, my name there. Lights to Benny, man.
Oh, God.
Yo. Yes.
The war is on. Oh, not give it up.
Yo. Me I tell you, so yo, when me see dog stay so and push out and yo, dog, it just naturally, man, just for a natural tapping speed, brother.
Yeah.
The man can maintain in speed and he's so strong. But me kind of understand Benny point still. Him never so fresh.
True.
You know what I mean? I say.
True.
Well, give or take, me I forgive him that one this day, you know. But he still never push the man still.
So you think I push?
Of course.
Alright.
We all in push that, brother.
Yeah.
Right now, if me a run and a boy push me some, me a throw hands.
Yeah. They couldn't do it though, dog.
Yeah, they couldn't do that. But me I say, yo, that crazy, bro.
Yeah, a violation, bro.
Yeah,
Loan violation.
Yeah, you should have pushed him, man.
Yeah.
You see me?
Respect it.
You respect, and then you got show. You got show shades for it. All massacre music too. You dog say, mute.
Hold on, who?
You don't see it? Benny, after he meet done, you dog post something on Instagram and use a massacre audio upon it.
Mute?
Yeah, I think it's a mute. Like it's such.
No, don't say that dog one, dog.
Yeah, dog. Man, tell the same thing get beefy.
Yeah, man. I say if you go, man. We need some of that in our sport, brother.
Beefy, right? In our United States camp.
Yeah, and recently, if you see video with Sha'Carri, you come out and know.
Oh yeah.
You see it?
Yes, me see it, bro.
Yeah, bro.
No. Alright, hear me answer.
Yeah.
Sha'Carri, she wrong for what she do.
Yeah.
And say anything will come after that, brother. She deserve it. Me can't go behind that. Brother, the man a walk with, bro. Man literally a walk with from you.
Yeah.
Me see man walk go so. All I'm pulling luggage. Go so. All the me see man push him man in a side that. Me say
on the column this one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
me I say yo, that's crazy.
A bad girl, man. Bad girl.
A badness in him.
Bad girl. Yeah, man.
No, but brother, you can't. He man never want if you get to that level there.
Yeah. He man even come out I chat me and say, yo, Ray.
Big up mama, see me to a rose crew, but he see more than that. And the man still hold it down on rose crew. Maybe he dog. Alright, based on how she a react, you know. I could have said, dog do still in her nose.
But say that would have say, I probably some phone business car play them come off a dog.
Yeah, maybe
like
dog
up asleep or sitting there.
Yeah, and mama stay so see what go on in your phone.
Yeah.
And the dog take snooze.
Man, cause you are cheap for a long time, bro.
Yeah.
Long time.
But mean, that's not for go on still. Not this, sir. Another time and place.
Yeah.
You get me?
Any type of caliber athlete should be to that.
Yeah,
like,
bro.
No, dog.
Not in that environment there. Plus, you know you're there on a mission. You get me?
Good point.
You're there on a mission. You know, say, okay, yeah, go. A trials. If you try secure a spot for the World Championship in Tokyo.
Yeah.
Brother, if you locked in, focused. You know what I'm saying? If you worry about no petty stuff. You know what I'm saying? If you say something, alright, you know what I'm saying? Just put that on the back burner. And focus on the task.
Yeah, but you one still not dark, so it's like
too emotional, man. Bigger than that, man. You have so much brand deals. You have so much thing that this one thing could have cost you, bro.
But she's a controversial athlete, bro.
Yes, but behind the controversy, bro.
Yeah. It's a business.
So it's a business still, and people.
I look out for certain things.
Yeah. So you know what?
Ruin that.
Damage your brand. I know because she's a brand, bro.
Yeah, but you see, thing is though, as me say, Sha'Carri do that. Sha'Carri big like brother for controversy, dog. So that's why me can't really fault her. Me not think she'll get hurt for this stuff. Me not think.
Yeah,
so,
but
dog.
most of the controversy never led to arrest.
True, that's true.
You know what I mean?
That's true.
So
true.
Them they take a thing that when companies see that and say, oh, you can contain the emotions on another level.
Yeah.
What if you come and set and a little thing go, a little disagreement or whatnot? You know what I mean?
Yeah, flare up and
flare. They don't want you to react certain way. You get me? So,
certain professional.
Professionalism. She could have angled it better still.
True.
But big up to Coleman still.
He hold it, man.
That's what I mean. Me, allegedly. he must did something wrong, bro.
Yeah, he do something wrong.
Yeah, he must have so many things.
Yeah. Time for that still anyway. What if I chat me go on? First and foremost, me know you're your girl still. Not really a girl, but your girl. Ashanti boy, 10-9.
Beat and teach.
Yeah, man.
Go over there, go beat and teach. Yeah. Yo. So impressive, man. Tell you, yo. She's making a super return.
Yeah.
I have to commend her from the depths of my heart. Yo, mama, big up yourself.
We want more.
More. No,
more. Yeah, dog, brother.
Yo, mama, go on with herself, bro.
Yeah, bro. From 2 to 1, brother.
Yo.
Yeah.
Crazy work in a tech boy, and you can see the progression.
Yeah.
Like, I tell you, say, yo, give mama some time.
Yeah.
Give mama some time, man. Mama get back in and running, man.
For real,
and
man.
a problem.
For real.
Hey, she be one to watch now. Yeah.
She a work up to it, man.
Yeah, man. Me now count her up, man.
She a come run right in time, bro.
Yeah, she a get race sharp and race ready right now.
Yeah,
I'm a feel say more left in her tank.
Oh yeah, come on, bro. I want no 0.7 winner or something like that. Yeah, man.
More left in her tank, mama.
Yeah, man. She got it, brother. And she done chang already.
Lion. You feel like joke? That's what I tell you. So she could kind of give me more like a alien vibe, bro. You know what I say? Just,
me understand what you say. More and more kind of get what you say. Yeah. Me just more like the facial structure, dog.
No, me not look on
that. Okay, yeah, no. All right.
There's a base pan. Them operate. Yeah. So
yeah.
I figure it, but I'm very proud of me. See, me say, that a go on in a Tom shop. Yeah, man. We are dead, man.
Yeah, man. Another thing I go on this weekend. Christopher out the same way.
Boy.
So close,
but so far.
Yeah, we don't get.
I think a 20.3 run.
Yeah.
Yeah, I run 20.3.
Level run 20.2.
20.2 and then Golden Sun.
Golden. Yeah, and you get third.
Third. But put 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
The show say yo, we still
there.
Yeah. I go and dominate no matter what meet with it.
True.
We can go there go dominate.
Far them the day, no brother.
Yeah, man.
Them the day, Poland.
Yeah, man. A whole heap of journey that, man.
Yeah.
Whole heap of flights and whole heap of delays and you know what I'm saying? You don't even know what kind of condition how they didn't run really.
True.
And how long it take for them to reach there and
true.
Preparation
towards it. You see that though, a lot of things a lot of people don't really know like the condition it take figure run our meeting, brother. They feel like say if they show and run fast every time, brother.
Oh no.
Yeah.
It don't work so. Hey. It don't work so.
Can't work so.
That's why them have the camps.
Yeah.
World champs. You go over there, go get acclimated to the climate.
Yeah.
Get familiarized with the surrounding.
Yeah. Setting.
You know what I'm saying?
Time adjustment.
Weather, time.
Yeah.
Then they play a lot on the body, man. And people don't understand. As I tell you, say, for the regular Jantam people them out then, for Jan public.
Yeah.
Them not really understand it. They sit down and they say every man come last. Yo, what your boy they want come last and roast crew and blah blah blah.
True.
Brother, you don't know 1 month of preparation this tape, man. Whole heap of things have to go in it.
You can't just go over there. You can't fly left today, go today and run today. That can't work.
That not
and if a man do that, you see them perform bad, ask them why.
Yeah.
Ask them why. Believe.
But me like you much race.
Yeah.
Living never look very smooth to me.
That's true. But
never,
again, like we are saying,
preparation. So
me
put all of them factors in when I do my assessment, you know. So but me think say couple more meets is season not done yet.
That's season even started.
It's even started really.
Yeah. It start, but you know what I mean.
Him close.
Yeah.
Him close. 20.118 need.
Nah, man, I think he qualify a long time.
No, man, I talk about Kobe.
Yeah.
20.18. He reachable, man. He reachable.
Yeah, man, he did it, man. I Kobe that thing, bro.
Yeah, I want him, man, get it, bro. I swear you. Yo, it would have been such an amazing story.
Yeah.
For where his journey when in come from, when the depend.
Yeah.
You know, the obstacle when you have to overcome. And, it would be a very, very, very inspirational story.
It's a gap, man.
Yeah. So I really want to make a team. And the fee say he would have be a good contender for the 4x4 to still bring him.
They better put him on the 4x4.
Yeah, more. Yeah.
Cause him have diversity. Not say him is like Sherika, but he have versatility like Sherika.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah. 1, 2, 4. It's in range. Range.
And then the type of athlete there is unpredictable because them depend on kind of different training program than the regular sprinter. When you have the type of range there.
Yeah, in system different.
Yeah. So system of fire different. So I want to do you didn't think, man.
I get it, man. Well, let's go on. Ryan Ford.
Yeah.
998.
19,
Yeah, man. Big run. Is in me a stamp your class. Beat some other man race.
Dog, the ankle leg. Me still stand by my team, brother.
I think you might run your ankle leg, brother.
Right now,
you might run your ankle leg, brother. I love to see it, but
I love to see it.
But you know
right now, me I tell you, bro, me I go sleep tonight. Me I go to bed. I'm gonna make a prayer to J3. I say, yo, yes, let's test run that team.
Brother, them not gonna read the prayer, bro.
Yeah, go on. I mean, I tell you, say it's a world record contender team, this, you know. Yeah,
Brother.
But yeah, man, good run overall, though.
Yeah.
He assure consistency. I break a 10-second barrier.
I think I second time, maybe third time did that. Yeah.
Love to see it, man. Yo, this year, alright, compared to last year and this year. The way I see the rise of the sprint of them this year is just amazing, bro.
I mean, if you look what going on Tokyo, brother, it wasn't pretty. You know, say after 100 meter done, nobody no one watch it again. Brother. But right now, we have depth going in now. You know what I mean? I say we have feedback with authenticity. You know what I mean? I say we have feel it back and say we are true Jamaica again because sprint capital.
Never did that make no sense really, but come on, keep on him just go back on the drawing board this year and know say hunting season.
Yeah, man. Best time for you still.
Yeah, man. Best time for you.
Best time for you.
All heap of medals out there for you.
Yeah. Speaking of medals, Nakak. Jamaica released a Nakak team. See me have a list somewhere, brother. Under 23 Nakak. I want to tell you to them, brother. Go look and see, brother.
Me could have swear that's regular Nakak, but check still. I can double check. I'm not to remember exactly.
Oh, and big up she name Shanti Foreman. She's like a Clemson, high jumper. Graduate and thing with her masters, bro.
Oh, big up yourself, man. Yeah, me love to see it when the youths them make the transition from Jamaica, get into the collegiate system.
Facts. Get more than they're supposed to get.
More than what they're supposed to get, because me see a lot of people come in and flake out, bro.
Brother.
Like not even done school at all and just say, oh, forget this.
Yeah. I mean, it don't easy still, no, bro. We not say easy, no, but
I didn't say.
Yeah.
That's why I forgot Juco. I'm not gonna stop saying it, bro.
No, me agree with you, but me I say that, right? Juco is a dog fight, brother. And if suppose you come from a school like a posh, like a KC or a Calabar, where you have AC in your house, brother.
Pride.
You see? I know pride, brother.
Pride.
Brother.
So you not come from KC? Where
me go to a country system. So
okay.
If you're born in riches, you know, brother.
Yeah.
You hard for you accumulate to poverty, you know.
Whereas me and you, we come from the brokenness, but we go see look at money and we know if we anger with
yeah.
That means have some man we born night, brother. Them don't know if
adjust. They don't know if adjust themselves.
Brother.
When they reach rock bottom,
them don't know.
Them don't know if it operate. They say, oh, me crash out.
Yeah.
Yeah, they may lose.
Yeah, mad out, brother.
Good point.
But yeah, man. U23 team. Bourgeois, Jelani Garden, Odin Crooks, Sanjay Seymour, Ashik beside your name, Shema, you big up yourself. Joshua Dennis. List goes on.
Be a young talent, man.
Be a young talent, brother.
Be a young talent, man. Oh, God.
Yeah, Alana Reed, Serena Cole, Shanique Williams. That's Stacey and sister. Is me, bro. But me not lie, it's good to see youngsters them out there going them thing, brother.
But school not so what me not really say for this semester really. Cause school so up, man.
Yeah.
Especially for them like a youngers. First season me never seen a whole heap of Jamaicans that get signed in a NCA system. Me not see a lot at all.
That's true.
Yeah, I mean I see some, you know.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong.
But maybe more early season than them sign. But not like this.
Yeah, that'll be more early. Yes, I myself for this.
Yeah. Me
not seen.
That's true.
Me barely seen none.
Yeah.
So me not even know what go on.
Me money maga Juko.
I mean, yeah.
Juko money maga.
Maybe yeah.
Yeah.
But I mean, the system is there, man. The system, you can navigate.
Yeah, bro.
But you have to willing for put in the work.
Yeah.
Bro, there's no growth
without struggle.
Without
bro. Pain.
Alright. Don't talk, you know, no understand.
I'm going to feel like say your brother go both up on two sides forever. That no work. See, as soon as I come out of the system, brother, you're up on your own.
The real life work.
Yeah,
and you really make a good point when him say the collegiate system is really business.
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah.
And me did have to learn that the hard way, bro.
What do you mean?
So when me left tech, seeing done like. Cause remember say during the COVID year.
Yeah.
During 2020. When the COVID year come, that have been my last year. Cause I'm supposed to graduate in December.
Yeah.
So me say, I have to go fail one class, you know.
Oh, yeah. Hold on. So you fail the class on purpose?
Yeah.
To buy more time.
Smart. Because my lease now got. So I fail the class. In the fall, so me only I take one class in the spring.
Yeah.
So me could still go and train, and me still get breeze from the school, and I go on, you know.
Yeah.
I figure out what I go do. Cause that time I graduate in December.
Yeah.
I don't know what I go do. Then I say, I have no idea, and nothing was put in place to set you up after you graduate. It's just like I say, oh, we done, you're done.
Yeah, go through, yeah.
You're done, so we are showing you to you wolves them now. You have to go figure that out. You know what I mean? And I think that a lot of at least the challenges they face after they graduate from school.
Yeah.
They don't know what else to do. They don't know the process. I say, yo, OPT, any little thing. You know what I mean? I say, a whole heap of little things you can navigate, brother. But the information now present to you, you have to go look it. And if you don't have the right linkage and say Rose Crow, you get what I don't get.
Yeah.
The same thing. You know, I call her name, but same thing. So me see some of my Africans they have like challenges with that to stay me. That's it. They have to ask some questions now, but you know what I say? Yeah. But brother, it's crazy, but it's a system I can navigate though.
Yeah, and then we need to start this, brother. We need to stop this shy. I don't want to use shy. This too cool for school thing, brother. Like, man, me no ask who go through the system, brother. Yeah, bro. Damn a man, brother, damn a woman and find out what is what, brother. The same way when you go on a visit and you ask your athlete them, brother, how they stay. Ask a man how the college system stay. What you gonna do after, brother? Because it's hard for a student athlete to do an internship. It's rare if you get experience with a school, brother. Very, very rare. I teach to Chadian and Chadian tell me, say, brother, I'm tired every day, bro. Yeah, dog. But the difference with Chadian is that Chadian they go to lower D1. If you go a power 5 school, brother, that's a rougher because you have to compete with the best of the in the country, you know what I mean? I'm not saying no possibly, you know, because Shemar said he might do engineering and thing. Possibly, you know, bro. Yeah. But, man, tell you, dog, you're rough, brother.
Brother, man, dog, me understand. It's doable because me do it.
Yeah.
You see me? Go through school the Power 5.
Yeah.
If you compete.
Yeah.
At the highest level.
Yeah.
Then have you had work on that too?
Yeah. Yeah.
That is no joke.
Yeah.
You know what I say? So I say it's doable, but y'all come down to your mindset and what you want to achieve. You know what I say?
Yeah.
And how you see life, how your perspective, how you want. If you do anything, you just can't have one lazy mindset. You see me? But you we come from humble beginnings, bro. And we understand how to navigate the road, bro. We know say, yo, we never have this or we grew up now. And we get some opportunity, we now go waste. You know what I mean? I say? So it might be different for some certain people.
You don't want to talk about though. Want to talk a little bit, brother. Want to talk about bad agents, brother. You have some man, dog. I'm telling you, brother, and me did suffer the same thing. I tell you, and when you call it suffer, come here, alright. You see me? And you have a couple athletes under the same management to me, the under, brother. And they might thrive right now.
Right.
Me call him Jordan Scott. Yeah?
Right.
You have some man, brother, where them say them an agent or some woman say them an agent, brother. And them only interested in getting you money if you get them money, brother. Yeah. Them not interested in like you getting better, brother. Okay. I'm tell you, brother. I'm tell you who me rate right now, dog. Where that name Fervert. You see him sitting there sign to that.
From FSU?
No, man. No, man, that's a Jack, man.
Okay,
that's Total Athletics.
Yeah.
I talk about local style, John Jacob.
Okay.
That's how we're sitting the sign to. Brian Level. Where that name? Javon Powell. Kennedy Dunkley. That's your name? Yeah. Sign to them man, the brother. And when them sign to them, I say, brother, why you must sign to this as somebody for them now no connect, them now this and that. Brother, man, them everywhere I run.
Yeah.
Everywhere I run. Brother, you can't sign to an agent and you're not getting a run. That don't make no sense, brother. You have to run, you have to jump. Me see a man have Jordan Scott for much years, brother.
Yeah.
And Jordan that struggle.
Brother.
The man that struggle.
And get bench long time.
Bench, man get bench, brother.
Yeah.
And the man say, yo, that not work. And this side say, yo, loyalty not pay. Loyalty not pay bills.
Yeah, but you have to understand that.
Bro.
A lot of people don't understand, bro. You see, when it comes to business, anything to do with monetary factor, bro.
Yeah.
People that say, oh, loyal, cause for instance, you could have been my agent.
Yeah.
You see me, and you have been my agent for a long time, and things not work, and you say, oh, me just don't want to lift him, no, cause you know what I mean? I say,
yeah.
Bro,
no
business.
Yeah, bro.
Nah, straight business. We sign a contract.
Yeah.
You are getting this for what we do, blah blah blah. You know what I say?
But if you're not getting what sense, brother, there's no listen. Tell us something, brother, from experience. If you not compete as an athlete after college, cause you know so in a college, you compete almost every week.
Almost
crazy.
Every week you compete. Double events, triple events.
Then you left college and you can't get into one meet, brother.
Yeah.
That agent is not an agent, brother.
Yeah.
He means asylum, him a hold up. No, dog, believe me. No, dog, a serious man. A serious some dog. Brother. No, cause you have some man, brother. Them claims to them know this and that, know who. But if the athlete not perform, brother, it don't make no sense. You see me? And no, without NIL, brother, I know how sure I could get a dog when I can chat about it on the podcast so I can hear and understand, brother. But the agent them can come in. I know for a fact, say, with football, because I chat to the dog, you say, brother.
Yeah.
Man say, with football, brother, the agent them can come in right now and talk on behalf of the athletes, brother.
Oh, so the man them in a college right now have agents?
Have agents. I know say that only floodgate for track athletes.
Yeah.
Because agents that trap meet them. Yeah, dog.
From early, no must secure the back.
From early, so you better be careful.
Yeah.
Yeah? Nobody just go sign to nobody so I feel like say, yo, I hate that, brother. No, brother. Do your research. Do your research.
And protect your brand, too.
Protect your brand.
Because yourself is your own marketing tool.
Alright, my G. Yeah, man, we take a turn with that one. This thing.
Yeah, he was needed to me.
Yeah, man, back on track still.
Yeah.
Defending champion, Anthony Watson, make a step out. When he run 46. With that he run again. 46 something he that he run.
Who up now?
Watson. Antonio Watson, man, we are talking about.
And him win a trials.
Nah, man, never. No, man, they pull up a chairs, man.
Yeah.
Dog, I must say 4605 or
over weekend?
Yeah.
Okay. 4605?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh,
yeah,
open. That sound like a open.
Yeah, and that come back from an injury, bro.
Oh, that not bad.
Yeah, not bad.
That don't bad, because a good while now, I not hear good while now, I not see. And you know, say, yo, still, you know, that there's a deadly 200 meter runner still, you know.
Yeah. But
big man thing. It's a better quarter mile, though. You know, my countryman from down Petersfield, man.
Yeah.
All like, man, banana.
You know system, brother. You know system.
Yeah, but that's a good opener.
Yeah, man.
So far, but I mean, he just have missed major championship. The man just kind of bounce back himself.
Well, he might defending champion still, so him get an automatic bid.
And get auto bid.
The man he win in Budapest.
I did win.
Yeah, Antonio Watson.
Okay, well, on the back track look a bit.
Yeah, I'm the win, man.
Oh, you're right, you know.
Yeah, dog.
So you have an auto bidding doesn't need to show saying race ready.
Yeah, you need to have a show.
Yeah.
A show.
Okay.
Man, good, man.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Nah, man, he just need to get some reps in.
Yeah, you need to get some reps in.
You have one next race pan. Make a look and see how it. I see you, brother. You have our next race pan August 10. 2 days around. Yeah, Sunday.
Yeah.
Yeah. But different from that still Javon Powell and the CM Kennedy Dunkley there. Him run 45-4 and then Dylan Dunkley run 45-8-2.
Alright. Do you think that our Jamaican currently right now based on our 4x4 setup?
Yeah.
Based on the athlete them right now.
Yeah.
You think we have a chance at medal in getting a medal? Even a bronze? As a quarter miler.
Boy, based on what I say going on trials, yes.
Yeah.
Based on what I'm going right now, no. If you man make sure what trials show up today, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, but based on what I'm going right now,
yeah.
I wouldn't say no, because we be there in 45.
Yeah.
But we can definitely medal, brother. We always can medal. But in a 2023 meeting, we have medal too, but never work out.
I mean, you never do until the day, you know, man.
Yeah.
You know, we can get one of the big boy special them.
True.
You never know.
True.
Because
still away for the special.
Still away for the special, you see me. But in that time, I just go and drink a boom alone.
We have too much money away for special load.
Yeah.
Me not like this. This don't feel comfortable, brother.
Yeah.
Too much away there in a good.
But you think it's a issue with them start run a little bit too later?
No, that. I don't know that. You see, when you come out to 400 Jamaica, that me concerned about it because I don't know that. I just feel like, say, brother, I don't know that. We can do it, obviously, brother, because we have a world champion.
We have a talent, brother.
Yeah, dog, but there's a miss somewhere, dog. Him don't want to run the 400.
Yes.
You see me?
That's the biggest issue.
Yeah, they're not committed.
Yes.
Yeah. Then committed more to fuck than the race, brother.
Yeah.
That's how it is still.
I mean, but me have my basket more forget a medal in the 4x4
than the flat 4.
Yeah, naturally.
Yeah,
so.
this year at least.
This year at least. But I want we there a point where we are top contenders for a medal.
Yeah.
Just for the flat 4.
Yeah.
That I want to see that because we have the depth, bro. We have the athlete them, bro.
Yeah.
Then just need to just come up and show, brother.
Yeah.
Put on a show.
Just committee for you, brother. Brother, it got hurt. But you know I hurt more when you lose and run slow, brother. That don't feel good.
Yo, but listen. I mean it hurt. You know, pain is temporary, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I say, and if you feel like quit, just tell yourself you're going to quit tomorrow. Yeah. And then you just put your one cycle. When tomorrow come, say you're going to quit tomorrow again and just keep it on. You will never quit, bro. True. You don't have to just condition the mind just like how you condition the body.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. But the mind is strong on the body.
Yes.
The mind can see the body, whatever they want. Yeah, see me? Yeah, bro.
Yo.
We need man them for really and truly. And the woman them, brother. Yeah. All the woman them are more fighter than the man them.
Yeah.
No offense. But you know what I mean?
That's I look on it, me kind of share the same perspective on that too.
More fighter.
Yeah. Them are come out and them are showcase right now.
Yeah.
Right now, if he say woman I'm wave the flag look more right now.
So you go still. Yeah. Like if you say woman wave the flag to still.
Yeah. Yeah, which is good.
Yeah.
Which is good. Don't get me wrong. Which is good. It's good.
Yeah, bro.
Well, you know, say
we get it together.
We want to dominate all round. We need to get some. Like you ever think say we go Jamaica would have any athlete we can reach to say like 800. Navaski. Me I talk about depth. We want more depth in our 800.
We have it, alright. We have it in our brother. We have the numbers them in there because if money me run. Alright, you see that me feel about like the 400 when you come on to 800, brother. If a man with them reach a threshold, dog. We have money around 145 day in. But for break that, brother, and that me feel like we reach with the 400, brother. We have 45.
Yeah, that's a normal day, bro.
Yeah, even high school I'm around 45.
Yeah, that's a you know when alright, me back in a full time when man I run 45, man used to be happy them I run 46 low. Yeah. Excitement. No, things and time change right now, bro. Run 45, you don't think we can make a finals with 45, bro.
Remember when me that run, brother? A man put out say the new 44 the 44 is the new 45.
Yeah.
And that was when I knew, yeah man, I eat that for me, brother. Me say, I eat that for me.
Yeah, because the man make it look so easy right now, bro. Easy, bro. Man, him that I run 43 blind.
Be a 43. 44, brother.
Low. Yeah. And there's a look cruising and chilling.
Yeah, we got it doing, man. I tell you, man. Man like a poet, have it, brother.
Yeah.
What's have it, brother? Just look at mishaps. But we can get it on one car. Just like how Spring them have them mishap in a year.
Yeah.
You see them come back and say, yo, top 3. And see you make quarter mile them go do it, brother.
Me just no one if we just all it depend on sprints. More kind of one, especially like cause we have more depth in our field now. You know, so we start gaining traction in our field events them now. So that's good. So we have sprints and then we jumpers them and show up. We want to look more in our middle distance.
Yeah.
You know?
Again, that come down to a committee in that because brother. It's nice and thing of champs in the brother. It really and truly nice to run this time of champs in the car. You know, say, yo, boy, if you not run 10 as a high schooler, just go run 800.
No, follow. I'm not giving that. No, follow.
That's what I say. You're more likely to get a medal. Yeah. You see me? But you don't go on to the collegiate scene, brother. Especially if you leave Jamaica, brother. You compete against some dogs.
Yeah.
They are competing against some dog.
And that's why you have to have a dog, you know, you too.
Yeah, bro, but
on top of it, look a puppy, look a chow.
But I see it.
Look a brownie.
Yeah, bro.
And get out the pit bull, right?
Brother, I don't know why. We are getting it. We have to get it. We don't have a choice.
So you say that come down to. So you say it's a town mindset.
I can't town mindset. Cause I whole country. I whole country, brother.
Man, them just. Alright.
It's a commitment issue.
Yeah, me agree. Me try gather my thoughts on that one. It definitely is a commitment issue. And then when other people see people deflect from the event, it them not get the motivation to do it. Cause even if me as a man now I say, yeah, I run 800 a year, every minute you say, yo, right now I can't I run 800 again now.
True.
I mean I try to develop. And you run good enough.
Yeah.
I mean I try to develop and say, yo, man, be like you, and then if you say, yo, me no want to run it. Not encourage me and give me no motivation to try. You know what I say?
True.
So definitely with the commitment this year we have it no representative really did it for showcase and say, oh no, come on man.
Yeah.
Bring that liquor pack.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Or just Navaski.
Well no, as me I say we have Navaski.
We have the youth from
Arkansas. We have 2 of them at Arkansas.
The A&M youth.
Oh, but alright, you see with him now.
Yeah.
The man go run 400 trials 1 year. So that me I say, dog, like, you know what I mean?
The man have to run them event, bro. You run 800 all year run, man. What you got change up? Jamaica 400 trials in a deep in a brother.
You're rough.
Deep.
You're rough.
Wally pop, what are you gonna say? Yo, when me step up guy 800.
Yeah, bro.
I cannot play it safe. Look, by the time and Tokyo, here in the car trials, you want to run 200, Mr. Brother, left 200 alone. Can I go run 400, brother? But you want to sprint 200.
You want to lead the country.
Yeah, bro. You want to run 400, bro.
True.
And you see you work your way through your rounds, them dog.
PR, Arita. It's a commitment issue.
Yeah, run your 400, bro. Come here, let me look on the depth in brother. I say, bro, you have a better chance in the 400, you know. Make it even on the relay or something, bro. Go run for you, bro.
Arita, man. Arita. You know what I just do? What do you make a comment, brother? Where me say, Champs is not a good product to it, dog. Too smart reach out to me. Nah, call name, but you know yourself, brother. Man say him disagree with me, dog, and say, yo, champ is good for the country, good for the athletes, them. And I disagree. I'm going to go back on that, brother.
I disagree with you as well.
Brother, listen. Name one athlete from full generation right now. We survive champs.
From
yeah.
Jordan Scott.
True, but he wasn't a winner. I talk about winners, brother. Not like champs itself, like winners, brother.
Okay.
And we can't even, matter of fact, we can't even count, and even on a full generation either, we can't even count Wayne Pinnock, because technically I'm
no.
Jamaican. I mean, I true.
Allegedly.
Which allegedly? Man, that turkey right now, eh? There's no allegedly that is, brother. Man, that turkey right now,
It's not a done deal yet, bro. It's not a done deal yet.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
former Jamaican.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, I mean, okay. It definitely not from our era.
Yeah. What about next era?
Previous before that. Dun. Boy, I mean, I feel dig down to your archive right now.
Brother, majority of winners, they have a medalist, brother. They weren't no champs athletes, brother.
Yeah.
I just the man them in a race maybe or drop out of semis, brother.
Yeah.
The man them we are winning champs, brother. We not benefit from them. Champs alone are benefit from them. That me I say, brother.
But me go still share back his same point that me make it last time. The man them the transition with them a make straight out high school, jump in a pro system, a progression in a matchup.
But you would never go in the pro system.
No, that's why I say me go through the progression.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I say man them now go through the progression. Because you're young, you're 17, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I say you have more labor time to develop. So you run 10-1.
Yeah.
10-1 ain't cutting it no more. You know what I mean? I say, yeah, go run against more experienced people. All right, for instance, people in a favorite era, they man that they go compete with both the entire day. You know what I mean? I say, feel like a 10-1 community champs ain't gonna cut nothing from. You know what I mean? I say,
development though.
But so that's why you have to go for the progression. That's what I mean. I always like go to the NCA system.
Yeah.
Get the progression, get the development.
Yeah.
You know, wait till you grow, you're fully mature in your adult body.
Yeah.
Where you can compete with the big dogs.
All right. This is my argument. We have seen athletes leave from high school and go straight professional and turn out well for them.
Right.
What I'm saying is that ever since that, which year Extra graduate? 2010, right? I think at that time when Cindy did win, Wolmer's the winner name.
Oh, big up Extal. Guns up.
Yeah. You see me? What may I say? From about 2012 coming up, brother.
Yeah.
We now get nobody from that. And in my opinion, within that time period, 2012 to probably about 2018 or so, brother.
Mm-hmm.
That to me was the hottest of champs, brother.
Yeah.
And they look into it, brother. Champs now hit that peak there again, brother.
Yeah.
So what may I say is that during that time period when people are win and I broke all these records and blah blah blah, we the country Jamaica gonna reap from that, dog.
Right.
That me I say.
Okay.
We not reap from that. And what me I say with that now, it set a standard, dog. And the standard not drop back.
Yeah.
So regardless how if fans gonna do that, brother.
Oh, so there's a void.
Yeah, dog.
There's a void. Okay.
Yeah, dog.
Yeah.
That me I say, brother. That me not like about champs.
Okay, so after them run faster champs.
Yeah.
After they leave champs, then burn up.
Yeah.
Then disappear.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Because and why me I blame champs is that, brother. If we look on a country like US and South Africa, they have them phenoms like we, brother.
Right.
You see me? We can probably argue and say no lives are phenom.
Mm-hmm.
But Tara Davis, whoever you want to say, brother.
Yeah.
You know over so you have you look at young youth that run out hell right now.
Tuk.
Nah, man.
No, not
go. Yeah.
No,
you have them man, brother. Yeah. We are run fast. But the difference with we in a Jamaica, brother, we have champs.
Yeah.
With champs, brother, we have to run man time in a high school. Whereas them only are running once and 2 times a championship. So for them body not as beat out as we. That me I say, dog.
So they kind of market champs to be like on a pro level meet.
Champs is a pro level meet, brother.
But based on your point, just to make understanding, so make you understand what you say. So based on the marketing of champs.
Yeah.
And the expectation of athlete them.
Yes.
You have to run some super fast
time, brother. But you said too, you know.
Yeah.
Man, usually run 45 like whoa. Yeah. 46 like whoa. Where are they now?
Yeah. But me understand your point. Understand your point.
I say, brother, and with all the stand, and again, the address say, them try reset it now because them cheat up the schedule. Yeah. So like, you know, them spread out, them have time for recover and whatnot.
Yeah, because look on the then time they had a 2-4 on the same day.
Yeah.
That was ridiculous. And they know
but it did nice.
It did nice. We see man, it did nice. But it did beneficial of some other party. Because you have man only run 1-2 and the man who run the 2, they go back and run the 4.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? I say so if man run the 400, I have to go line up back for go run the 2.
Yeah.
A dead man that I walk come round.
Yeah, but alright, look on sprinter jumper, that rule now got change. They must have enough jumper with sprinting.
Yes, but naturally you have to sprint for jump.
True.
Yeah. True. Because when me a coach, me train me jumpers them to be sprinters. Yeah. Just sprint. Once you learn the proper running mechanics, bro.
Yeah.
Other people, all the people don't understand. If you get people fast, all they have to just correct how they run.
So you feel like everybody form can change? Or should change?
Not everybody, bro.
So how you determine that?
Some people, have some things just instill in them, bro. Like you can't look for
Courtney.
Ugly and them, you just can't correct that.
Grass.
And it work for him.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I say?
Yeah.
But for long as you know you put the things in the right place. Because you know, you can make up back for it somewhere.
Yeah.
You know, so. Them are go on.
Yeah.
Them are go on.
Yeah. Yeah, man. You have to be technical as a jumper. Like,
very technical too.
Like
and then.
Clear skull, Monday.
Yeah.
Technical.
You have to, alright. It's not just because when you're sprinting, why am I say a long jump even harder than 100 meter? Listen.
Brother, get up.
Listen, and the jumpers would agree, bro. Just listen. Bro, while a sprinter, right, just a focus straight to get down the line, bro. Then just all them do sprint, just try to get across the line. That's ahead of them, right?
Yeah.
We as the jumper now, is so much things in place, bro. Alright, the approach. Because we have to sprint, you know.
Yeah.
You have to set up the approach, you have to set up it right. The amount of pushes you have to make, then you have to adjust your body, this and that. Then you have to prepare your mind, how you go eat takeoff, how you go eat the angles and whatnot. Yeah. Bro, so mentally, in your head, bro, it's more crazy than the 100 meter.
Disagree. First of all, as an athlete, brother, this is supposed to come to you like muscle memory. So all this thinking you talk about.
I mean, but naturally, but
brother,
when you run, no muscle memory, you just run.
Yeah, when you jump,
but you have to learn. You have to learn that muscle memory there.
Yeah.
Yes.
So jump.
When you sprint it, when you run 100 meter, no muscle memory business that.
What? First of all,
you just run.
You was so man.
Sorry, you said something. Matter when you learn.
Yeah.
Yeah. After a while, you develop muscle memory. Of course. Yeah.
Brother.
And things where you have to correct. Oh, we have to swing your leg.
Brother,
you have to do this.
Your blocks have to right. Your hip placement have to right. My youth.
But the hardest part, so you say the hardest part is just to get out the blocks.
No, the whole race. Brother, you're barely breathing and sprinting on that. You might run 9 seconds, brother. You think that easy?
You barely blink.
Brother, you think that easy? Brother, alright, matter of fact, you think there's more 8 jumpers than 9 runners in the world?
Go on again.
You don't think more man jump 8 meter than more man run 9 seconds?
No. Are you crazy, bro?
I'm gonna check that one, brother.
How much man run 9, brother?
I'm gonna check that one.
What you talk about? This season or you talk overall in general?
Yeah. More man have to jump 8, dog.
Yeah. Fear now. Me talk about that. Yeah, fear. Yeah. It's kind of fear.
Alright.
Sub 10 hard, you know, brother?
Yeah. So, alright, what?
Yeah, sub 10 hard.
Sub 10 are like a threshold for sprinter. Why is threshold for long jumper?
Yeah, 8 meter, beyond 8 meter.
Yes, how if you had that?
Yeah. Huh?
How if you had that?
No, but everybody can jump, you know.
Yeah.
Everybody can sprint.
Yeah.
Everybody can dance, but then everybody a dancer.
Yeah.
You know what I say?
Yeah.
So everybody can go this a boom and jump. But the technical aspect if you break that threshold,
yeah,
it come with more precise and more technicality, bro.
Brother.
More than running 100 to me. I mean, maybe I'm being biased. I'm sorry. Guys, help me out in the comments.
You're biased, brother.
I'm just maybe.
You're biased. I tell you, you're biased, brother. I'm not a sprinter, brother. But I think sprinting is way harder than long jump, brother. Way harder. You know, can't make we know still.
Yeah.
You can't make we know. But you know, agree that I reality, brother.
What? We leave that one if he comments.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not real at all. So let's go on this weekend and I'm see what go on. Panams, blah blah blah. No,
so hold on, they did keep the Paralympics trials combined with the US trials.
Gotta bring that up, come and write that down. Foolishness. I foolish. Me not agree with that. I like the end, brother. Yeah. Me not depend that. Not depend that. Not the whole meet. Like couple races, but not the whole meet, brother. Yeah.
Because the championship them separate.
Exactly.
Yeah, different timing.
So. I understand say inclusivity and all these things, brother, but the championship them separate.
Yeah, they're separate. Yeah. Everybody's on a whole different scale,
a
whole different time.
Yeah, bro, like no offense, but
I did see him. I think they didn't do it last year today.
I don't know if they did last year now.
But I know him see it this year for sure.
Yeah, man, he go on this year and that was a problem.
Yeah. And then the whole schedule to change up.
Yeah.
It was crazy going on.
Yeah.
But I love it. But hey, one Texas, the kid, Lindsay, free boy, man.
Courtney
Lindsay, man. Yeah, man, the boy. Him in a tip top form.
Yeah. Man, they work hard, brother.
Yeah, brother. They just run and like you can't tired or something, brother.
Tough, man.
Yeah. And it's so excited when you see it, bro. When you see progress. Progress, bro. And the whole journey.
Yeah.
And the whole Juco come right through the world, bro. It's awesome, bro. Big up yourself, man.
Yeah, man, big up yourself.
Yeah. You gotta go and put in the work, man, and do it, man. You can't see it.
Yeah.
And so you see them, it will grow.
Yeah, it will.
Water it.
So we have to listen out to it.
What else go on this weekend again?
Knockout team get announced too. If you want
to
knockout team.
We in brush pan already.
Yeah.
And listen, I mean,
much me yeah look for bicycle.
By knockout under 23?
No, man, not under 23, just pure knockout. Under 23 different from knockout.
Oh, pure. Yeah. Oh, that's different.
47 depend, yeah. Tia Clayton, Ashanti Moore, Ricketts, Price, Ford, Watson, McDonald, Taylor.
So knockout most of the North American region.
Yeah, with the US and them.
With the US.
Yeah.
Ooh, we think we can dominate them still. Maybe I want liquor.
US tonight too, you know.
We not bet. About US. We ain't scared of US. What you talking about? We ain't scared, bro. You know, see we back on the map. Right now, we are going head to head right now. When we line up on paper, we are going head to head. Me think say we go deal like a one character. We go deal with it like a one character, man. Sports deal.
Yeah. And a Bahamas too.
Yeah, and look, oh God, in every backyard.
Yeah.
That's true. A sports day business, that man.
Yeah, man. So medal.
Boy, me have to look on the depth chart and say if I don't know how much people are double, if nobody are double, me have to get a better look if we can give a better prediction.
But you gonna get 2 medals still?
Yeah,
so.
Where you run pan?
Really, brother?
You run pan the mix? Okay.
Yeah.
So the mix relay look nice. By the way, we have any qualified mix relay for World Champs?
I think so from last year. I think so.
Alright. Since we're on that, I want to ask you, Zane. So, you know, say a man, woman, I think. A man, woman.
Yeah, I think so.
So, you really say you ride for the switch and put the opposite gender upon a leg there?
No, man, you know, so they make it a rule officially. If first time they do it, then it's tacky.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Then you see man around woman, brother. He did crazy that.
Let me tell you how did I think Poland and Netherlands did that last year, brother. One of them, I can't remember exactly, bro. Like, me see man them walk him down.
I'm sure you see me can't find that.
Oh God, me laugh till the week.
See me can't find that.
See, man stronger, bro.
Yeah,
man, them just naturally stronger, brother. I don't want to compare.
So I first mix with you.
Yeah, no, what Poland?
Yeah, Poland.
Oh, yeah, Poland.
Walk that down, brother.
And I want them, man.
Walk him, kill him, brother. Yeah, man.
I mean, I think so that right. So they make it a rule now. So everybody have to sleep on them all day. Okay, yeah. Because that, no.
Yeah. I mean, but that make that interesting.
Interesting for what? For entertainment.
Yeah.
For entertainment purpose.
So what 4x1 you do? You do a mixed 4x1?
No, bro. Because, alright, why me say no? The range that we have to pass the button.
Yeah.
Because remember, say normally we have to give somebody like say 14 step or whatever step.
Yeah.
As the man figure give woman the button, the man go to come in naturally so faster.
True.
You know what I mean? I say.
True.
And then the zone, you gotta play a lot with the zone.
Yeah. They have to change.
They would have to change up his zone.
Yeah.
Because you would have to play a lot with the zone.
Yeah.
People that get disqualified all around, bro.
Yeah.
That make no sense. But you that interesting for what still?
Yeah. But I think what about miss up with that go at night still.
Yeah, and plus you have to look on the height. Because some woman just short. Oh, if I look short,
Shelly.
No,
Sha'Carri.
No, the girl that do you heard is for Jamaica then.
Oh, Megan.
Look at Megan. Yeah. I run with a button for a pass, get Usain Bolt.
Big up yourself, Megan. She signed with Adidas. Yeah, man.
3 stripes.
3 stripes. Yeah, man, 3 stripes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, Jamaica alone no one Adidas, but go through still.
Why? Let's start about that. I just remember a race like it was yesterday.
What that?
Megan race.
Which race?
In trials.
Oh. Yeah, man. Devo.
Brother.
Devo. Believe.
Like a Sonic, bro.
Yeah, man.
Sonic over here is a...
God, man. Tough.
Yeah, bad, man.
Bad. Come on. Anything else you want to go off you can go?
Well, I think we go for now still.
Yeah, man.
Yo, big up on yourself, you know, man. When you don't know, you know, like, share, subscribe, you know.
Yeah.
And don't know, so we tune in to the channel.
Yeah, every week we are commit. We don't have no commitment issues. Every week you ask something, brother. Don't watch no face.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? Big up on yourself. You see me? We're out. You see it?
Outside. Boom.